Hello, welcome to White Molinax. Today I'm going to be having a mini drawing lesson for beginners of how to draw a bird. This video is recommended for age 6 and down. So you want to start off with making it doesn't have to be perfect at all, but what you want to start trying to make is this particular shape. I don't know how to refer it to anything else, but you just want to start curving at the top, and then you do a little tip and connect it. It's very, very easy to make. After you have that, the next step is you want to put a line right through it, just like that. I am going to be thickening the body of my bird. Okay, now that my bird is bolder, I am going to be adding legs. So I did the feet, but pay no attention to the feet because they were a little bit fast, so I just want you to put 2 sticks coming out of it, just like that. And then for the feet, you want to make triangles, and then put a line through the triangles. And then for the head, you just do a little bitty oval type shape, almost as if you're starting a rainbow, just like so. And then for the eye, just 1 dot. And for the beak, of course, a triangle. And this is an extremely simple bird. That is what it looks like in the end. And if you would like to color it in. So my bird is particularly going to be a bluebird. And I want it to look like, it's supposed to look like this is its wing going over. So I recommend a darker color on top and then a lighter color on bottom for your bluebird. And your final result should look like that. Of course, with the eyes. You can add way more different colors. It could be a rainbow bird. In particular, if you want to make a solid colored bird, I recommend putting the darker wing on top and the lighter wing on bottom. Now, I don't have any orange out here right now, so I'm just going to color the beak black. But of course, you color your beak orange. And that is the actual final result. The feet should be orange too, just I don't have orange out right now. So, thank you for watching this video. That is how you draw a extremely simple bird. I hope you've enjoyed. Bye-bye.